When customers become emotionally distant, the energy changed. This means they are leaving, and most people ignore this. So, the conversation usually changes emotionally. Now, there is a sign in a conversation which most people do not talk about, because the customers hasn't rejected you yet, but emotionally they have stopped moving closer with you. Now, when I say they have stopped moving closer with you in the conversation, that means that they are technically there with you, but it's just that you are not able to hear, or you're not able to see that the customer is not there. So if you pay attention, you can hear it happen that the customer is not emotionally involved with you, because at the beginning, like I was mentioning in the last video also, that they will react naturally, they will laugh with you, they will talk about a little bit in their travel plan, they will ask follow-up questions that what happens if I want to cancel the ticket, and then they will also share some personal details like it's my daughter's birthday or whatever, that's why we are going. And then suddenly, all of a sudden, everything becomes neutral. Now, what happens here when I say neutral? The replies will be very safe. There will be minimal emotion. They will be just talking to the point, no curiosity anymore. And this is the dangerous part of any sales conversation, because the neutral energy creates false hope in the agent's mind that the customer is there with me. So the conversation still exists. The customer is very much there with you on the phone, but the emotional momentum has disappeared. Now, what happened is most agents or people, they respond to this particular reaction into a very wrong way. So what happens is they will try to get back that excitement again on the call. So how do they do is they will start doing more talking. They'll start convincing more to the customers. They will start putting more pressure. And when I say more pressure, they'll start saying that, oh, you know what, this is the last seat, you have to take it, the fare will expire and whatnot. But emotionally distant customers, they will not need more information. What they need is emotional clarity. And when the conversations, when they start feeling this pressure, when they are not emotionally engaging with you, people slowly disconnect before they actually leave that conversation. And that's why experienced agents or communicators, we always don't only track words, but we also track emotional participation of the customer. So with this, your Q2 is when it's the emotionally distant replies like okay, noted, or not like price is good or whatever. That is your Q2. Stop over explaining and stop putting pressure.